Welcome to my SMM process. First time ko i-share to. This is what I do to land, or this is what I do when I find or attract client using a personal brand sa Facebook. But I just want to give an emphasis to this na aside from Facebook, I also attract or find client in Instagram and Upwork. So after ko makakuha ng client, I'm going to encourage them to hack on a discovery call with me. So I have two options. Number one, have on a discovery call and then ask client to answer the pre-qualification form, or during the discovery call, tinatanong ko kay client yung mga tanong ko sa pre-qualification form. Kasi this will help me to understand the client's business, and the industry where he or she belongs. Next is the marketing proposal. I create a proposal to check para makita rin ng client kung yung visualization ba niya ay sa nabivisualize po. So, magkakaroon kami ng alignment. If natuwa si client or nagustuhan ni client marketing proposal, doon na ako mag-i-start mag-send ng contract. Kapag napirmahan na ni client yung contract, that's when I'm going to send the invoice for the 50% down payment on the first month. Welcome kit. And then I'm going to ask for the account access. Okay. So after nun, step 5, this is the market research. Meron akong dalawang way to do this. Number 1 is the internal factors, which is the data from the socials. And then the external factors from the competitors, ganyan. So step 6 naman is that I'm going to prepare the script. I am a personal brand SMM. Kaya, isa ito sa ginagawa ko. Yung paggawa ko ng script is, may dalawang factor akong kinoconsider. Number 1 is yung data na nakukuha ko sa market research, which is sa brand inspo research. And then, yung information ng client ko para when I create yung script, tugma siya doon sa personality ng client. Moving forward, step 7 is collecting assets and then editing. So, I give time to my client to do the content shooting kasi most of the personal brands, ganun talaga. Hindi sila nahihiya sa camera, and at the same time, we provide assets. Maraming B-rolls, ganyan. Step 8, kapag meron akong assets at na-edit ko na at na-upload na rin ni client, doon na kami mag-i-start ng schedule posting. But of course, ipa-plot ko rin ito sa content calendar bago namin i-post. And then we're going to conduct a account monitoring to check what type of content works best or not, because during the first month, dito mapasok ang A/B testing. So, that's what my SMM assess. So, if you learn more and if you have questions, anything related to SMM, you can comment down below and we're going to discuss on the next content.